I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. I shall explain question 2C that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maxima and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. Find the maximum and minimum values, if any, of the function given by g of x equal to sin 2x plus 5. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that, given that h of x is equal to sin 2x plus 5. Here again I shall write, we know that the range of sin x equal to close interval we know that the range of sin x will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. We know that range of sin x will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. Sin inverse x, here I shall write sin inverse x. Then you will get domain. Domain you will get -1 comma 1. Domain you will get close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. Range you will get -π/2 close interval -π/2 comma π/2 close interval. This thing you have got. The domain of sin inverse x will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. The range of sin inverse x will be close interval -π/2 comma π/2 close interval. And sin x just opposite. Domain will be close interval -π/2 π/2 and range will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. This we have got. Here this one sin x range of sin x, I shall take range of sin x, will get equal to -1, that will be minimum, and sin x equal to 1, that is maximum. You must remember this one. Then this question will be fine. Sin x equal to 1, maximum Sin is equal to -1 minimum. This is range. On this basis, I shall write very well implied that -1 minimum, -1 less than equal to sin x less than equal to 1, because here close interval is there. Value of sin x will be -1. Value of sin x will be, the value of sin x will be -1. That will be the minimum value. So here I have write -1 is equal to sin x. The minimum value of sin x is equal to -1 and maximum value of sin x equal to 1. In this way, what to do in this case? This is an inequality. What to do in this case? Here again I shall write -1 less than equal to sin 2x less than equal to 1. It will become, because here sin is there or x is a function, that is variable. Here x is a function, variable. X is variable. In place of x, I can write here sin 2x. So this sin 2x, x will be the same for the its range. Because x is variable, the value of x can be pi by 2 x equal to pi by 2 90 degree. In this way you can write x equal to pi by 2, x equal to 0. This is sin like this, sin 0 degree equal to 0, sin pi by 6 equal to 1/2. Like this you must remember. So just remember this one. This is for reference I have written here. So we know that the range of sin x will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. Imply that -1 less than equal to sin x imply that -1 less than equal to sin x less than equal to 1. Imply that -1 less than equal to sin 2x less than equal to 1. This way I have written. So what to do in this case? Here I can write very well. Here you can see sin 2x plus 5. Sin 2x plus 5. Here the first term is sin 2x. Here you have got sin 2x. So what to do? Plus 5. So what to do here? This is an inequality. This is an inequality. -1 will be added with plus 5 less than equal to sin 2x plus 5 less than equal to 1 plus 5. Here extreme left -1 is there. 8 plus 5 to -1. You will get here -1 plus 5 less than equal to sin 2x. I have written sin 2x sin 2x plus 5 I shall write. -1 will be added with plus 5. Sin 2x will be added with plus 5 and 1 will be added to plus 5. -1 plus 5 sin 2x plus 5 have written, 1 plus 5 have written. What will do in this case? Here -1 plus 5 comes out to be 4. -1 plus 5 comes out to be 4 less than equal to sin 2x plus 5 less than equal to 6. 5 plus 1 6. So you have got here, from this analysis you have got here the minimum value of this one as a whole. Sin 2x plus 5 same as h of x. Then the minimum value of, here I shall write hence the minimum value of h of x equal to, hence the minimum value of h of x equal to 4. The maximum value of h of x equal to 6. Here from this place, sin 2x plus 5, sin 2x plus 5 I have written. Or here 4 is less. 4 is less than sin 2x plus 5. Hence, the minimum value of h of x will be 4. And maximum value of h of x will be 6. In this way, this question has been solved. This is a rough work I can cancel here. But for solution of this question, you must remember the range of sin x will be close interval -1 comma 1 close interval. Range of sin x will be this one, and sin inverse, when I shall write here sin inverse, the range will be converted to domain. Domain of sin inverse x will be this one. Vice versa will be there. This is the complete explanation and solution of question 2C that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maximum and minimum of NCERT 12. Okay guys.